and ebe modern ahwe see ebenya mpanyefo na ye ne wo akasa na before that majority leader in parliament Honorable Afenyo Makins or in Sambia Babetugwa was a cement price in a day. Abang de Shesegu Quemu says abang never control cement price no. Also yo and Chebia abang never control if he says so better cement says ya Ubedu baby 1 day 95 the same cement no a bit 98 a bit 100 cities a bit 110 eti ama price ni enyina fa ko se abang so ba eti se eyade a uyusu cement product bi a price ni ye 1 cedi wa ha obekọ shop bi e wo se ye 1 cedi anje bia san eye majority leader and a member of parliament name a Futu constituency Alexander Afenyo Makins ori ababetugwa na mi bisa se abang no or the science say betugwa wi a raw materials won we cement no what the raw materials ni dijuma ansa na won ya cement no say wo krasa na ma ne ba na kodu porta ehun sika na nya de keto ano eno so na abang no aye ne den ano bekoso atwene di ni mana obekoso resine bo no ana se or the price banji ano so betew ne de ne so sebe na de asomdwe be ba ebi se wan te wo de so abang na se wo be hye chinchina chen se dabi bi se cement no monton 70 cedis per one bag na wo de ne wo soro a won twema ho ebi se ba no sa wo be boka enti wo de nhyehyɛ ba na abang na egusu ya esra o se wo be bo moden na won so duties a ewo port no wa bo moden atetew so se be ye na de asomdwe be ba Inspector General of Police IGP Dampare or in Zambia Babetugwa also the way at the police force I ready the ama December post we I say oh who be kurada on shada who be that said the police which training police we come which research I won't make it not one any said 2024 December 7th general election see we be book Ghana for bang we be protecting ballot boxes no wo be mo de ahwe no wanhuru se enya de obi betimi afam ahwere ne nkwa enti ne edusu a December 7th ni edusu a wonantew utu wuka ne obeye bia obekwa kodu police station na wabomoden wo de won sako team wa ba team woto ma president woto ma member of parliament wi a me ba chokofie wo jollof bi afase ho na pe fruit juice bi emu ajo afa TVs a ekoso yina television stations bomode na sobi anya dan enko himawye den arebe sa no wo beti resource ade be sa wo be hu me mo pahini bi nko dada o se kona kofa especially youth no monko fa ballot box na mo fe nwan monko konto kwa ho monko ye gidigidi monko courses kate nemfa problem nsi o police funi se won aye ready ama woni pa bia sa adwen ni se utim 2024 general election see December 7th wodi basabasa yo wodi oyene enne base eniema ensena mfata ebeba elections no woni ubedi nyonyo I am winning you. Ose, winning is a free Ghana. Ose, winning is a free Ghana. Ose, Ghana. IGP Dampare, some of the Ababetugwa. I am Inspector General of Police. No. Stop abusing your power. Draw lessons from Kenya. I am NDC for this Asami. His Excellency, the President of the Republic, Nana Adodan Kufuor Williams, Dr. Abekang Nidinwuzeze. And this if we say Nanado, on shed the way 2 minutes kitano, not your pebian or the yano, not on you obian who be you. And you offer we are not the atwa, the Obiba can also on tier, I don't know your man paying. When and this if I catch it, what's a wood 2 minutes kita now yan is number one when you go Kenya. Nan saying some see wa ha. O say yes. It's a one channel ye. Now koso. Eteti nipa. They will have no other option Dan say once we betting just go kwa de akere o. Enti NDC fo na to His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Wonga to no for wonga advice no. What is ensemi aman. Wo say 2 million ekita no de yesa no onyai. Na nche bi akora no. 2020 before you be call we na say 2 million afini nsam onkai no hu say 2 million be kwa kodi obi foforo nsam Ghana ya this nti sadio o use 2 million hwe ne ye and this fo nsam a won aka no I Chief Justice of the Republic Justice Gertrude Tokunu petitioner the former special prosecutor in the person of Martin Amidu petitioner they come Chief Justice no catch you say the current Chief Justice Kisi Ajaben abatina so yi class bia wato e dia ko the office of the special prosecutor no ono ahwe sani eniema bi ko ya eniema bi ankoye enti nka wonyina saa asem no so na nka won pam Kisi Ajaben efemfiri ni position no so won atena asem so won ahwehwem Chief Justice aba bonti wabeka saa me no ka say what to send nsem nyina to akene o say nsem a matena mu di ba ye no nso nyina mu evidence legal evidence enough nim a ebetimi ya implicate Kisi Ajaben say won pam na ankwankwa tena fie nti ankwambra bi o so what evidence legal evidence bi concrete evidence bi a wo betumi di aba bi o dia onfemra na fe wonye nen na won hwe so enka Kisi Ajaben asem Ghanaian youths are taken for granted. National Service Secretariat. And what is answer me about Tugwa? What say? Ghana mebuno no. So you na bambia ba. They take them for granted. One for one yeshi. One for mebuno ni yeshi. One angu say. So one more common tisi. Mebuno is ya. Ne bedi elections say. Ne organize campaigns. You organize the various connect. Na wo be shia. You be release ye gum. Kwankwa we nam kakra, munko no monsa kakra. Munidi na maburu no wangagene asesa.
Dem wo mayimo.
Anka sane niema ko o manyimo.
Ye wo timba wo mayimo.
Na ka sane niema ayire so pampe e wo manyimo.
Ya ya ni o. Ose.
Anka by this time I asem foforo. Nanso Ghana ya asumdwe man enu nti mabure wokro man nyina ya asumdwe mabi no nanso adumire wasa ye kansem bi to mpanfo na sum na wote ye na da kye ye yende won se won mere no wodi na nche bia wo beko sani His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo wo ba be 7 times awi asese okofie no ampanyufo no wagusu a wo wie won nyuma e wose wodi ma o man Ghana aye maburu na nida so no agina yen so sesia e wi say no panyini ne tofo nga ekwa abranti dim
o se ye
yanga kanya no atum yanga kanya no atum maburu e wokrom ha bo man Ghana mu nyina okwapema ka ho ofisan ka wo hwebe pem na sane okwapema ti ya na wo hwe ba bia nka yen support gina yi a e wasanka yesu
o se ye
o bize yetwa yangani a yenhu bibi papa bia wo kwapema mu ye be kan sa pepepe de akere o me se da bia sanga obere bo me sori anopa na me kai ana me hu say there was Skeleton Chocolate Factory Esimampo Akuapem for 17 years. And this Yabachamuka, His Excellency, the former late President of the Republic, right after President John Agyekum Kufuor, former President, AOC Chocolate Factory Mampo Akuapem. Yanya Times Wabesin call. wanko ho yɛnganya John Dramani Mahama flag bearer de ma ɛyɛ NDC amanyoku no ɔbɛtena so wamma ho afɛ yɛnganya okwapeni okroponi His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, President of the Republic. Abetena so mfia wotwenie. Abusia chocolate factory no gusu ye skeleton. Ewo mambo abem. Sa chocolate factory sanko wotimi wie ma okwapemanya. Sanko wotimi wie. Ere mamampo wa. Sanku wotimi wie de mama mponwa wotimi wie no wode ma okwapemanga anka by this time mabunu won akosku awie mabunu anka won akosku awie no anka wo babi a woyɛ adwuma ewo okwapeman yi mo na abuja yanko ahama no so na yane Mr. Emmanuel Gallo, Honorable Emmanuel Gallo, yes, CPP Ashanti Regional Chairman. Yani nin common fat one sable. Honorable Yamako about the Command Radio 97.2 crop on grab him.
Meje, when you were here for you now.
The battle now poem with Dango.
Men poem with your papa, and I want to last way.
Yankopon and Aroma. I want you or you go so I some. Kama, ewo video imo. Honorable CPP 4. Nice one. CPP 4. Afi elections no. Mube kobi na beri bang. Ana modemo flag bearer and so ebeba.
Medas mamemfa akonya we so entia woni wetie fo nyina na memmo Ghana fo nyina amane se CPP afi elections we are more than ready to fight. Na obi say da again na moye sabe akokono be se ori abe ye santi oba so kwadwa da no ma no sisi no ho. Because of court issues left, right, center, inside, out, you know. And the year concern no how many are able to by taking advantage of the situation, as solve a lot of problems within the party. Many workers are in the year the interim management committee, you know, and now after their program, I mean in Accra, Omo Kumasi and ne, you know, maybe a meeting, Omo Betty, a Ashanti region, Boni is Boni North. And a Ahapuinada and a Western North. Or China Yamet Ombesin, no more the northern region, no more real northern region. The plan is on the 24th of August 2024 year. Yebeyi a year of Fabra that Ghana Maina. Obibeka sa much pa Yajifum Yache, Nanso Sabi, Sa Ahuma or Pump for air or Pum one. So Maya. Usu awo pamono ujina enyeyi nti ape na pampo na opamye no wagina na amayenso yegina yeye ntutie eno na ama we hu se nema nyina aka akire bebe nanso atia emui mpanyinse esene abebuo nyina ade nti promise amede magana for nyina no say on the 24th of August we are going to bring out our flag bearer of the Convention People's Party to lead the party and take us to 2024 elections.
Honorable Gallo, why chairman, dear Ashanti region, CPP, Afemono. So we have one who can't Ashanti region because so say minimum set Mumfa, move fly by a mighty and said Antimonka. Maho can't say the elections he send a moon, a better CPP. Anna.
We are doing our best to make sure we help the good people of Ghana and the parties. No question, say as a party, we should have been able to. Finish with this flag bearer issue near the other. But because of misunderstanding last year, we should have been, if not the first or second, a flag bearer because we proposed it. But because of misunderstanding, and then when he said, I can't know when you to and then I had the best. But we are not tired of a year, and we are not disappointed, but rather, it has really encouraged us to get to know that we were doing the right thing. So we'll push for it and make sure that there are results for the good people of Ghana and the party as a whole.
Okay, what was some of the Ghana futio, Quapamatio, baby Biara.
Come on, me pester me catcher Ghana and a crap to mine and
yes.
And share NDC and share MPP. Mpacho bisa who say a sister and ne oko jomunu netin tomatoes na eyesen. Bisa who say a sister and ne fieni oko sa okoto we decide no na eyesen. Bisa who say fieni a sister and ne oko sa okoto cement na eyesen. Bisa who say assistant no assistant aye ekona chief. And these are the very questions I shall be sound. And indeed, seven. I'm okay to Amana. Never tell us or talk with some seven and soon canoe. It is company. What catches almost says Ghana. Next, Sabe almost says you go bottom. Now I would no choir and echo sorodia. Now and they see a few who for next ever. Nepato, you can war and Obieka and your sanity. But you can't follow crown with Omunia on war. Sabe and no matter where to Abrami. Bobra echo in him. Now so ye na one empire hono ye na ye kan and then ye dey boy ho asafo hene. Me fa so ye samra from biom. Ye fra bi COVID a ebeto ewiase nyina so. COVID ne kwa de ye dey say sabe sanke e bon pa say e bon COVID na ko nanim pa because COVID ni sikatutru dia de bra Ghana no. Ye mi say empanyfo say that COVID fund and what have they used it for? Bisa who say and say bi atwam no. Na aso da for dabra and they see ADC cathedral no given the ecosie the same na aba at a for me so who say and that's not papa be no what him again next year na assistant let us the bill I catch so but some be me no me say funny free what a bill I catch say funny free no is it true and na economy chance na indeed all these things that I am doing mention no say economy na assistant na achia emaniema nkoye dia na wo se party auto abama no party na ye hwamodie party na ye kobesie party na ye bosromuska party na ye pesika guye botom na ye jama Ghana for asopa. This is what we are all looking for there. And you can work to Obama MPP. So we na ope dia any MPP ni na NDC ni na tonche to me kabadom CPP ni anu ina nyama ni ye obekasi ate na mumunti ni na ye ne sa. Now, the track record says Dr. Liman issued only 3 months and he was able to win election and save this country of ours. Let us all do understand that indeed, on my way problem, there will be any more data. Nanya for Flobia Nepe, yet our junior, a beba, Nadim Kuntu, Assassinapa, and Koto, Yedia, and Kwenimu, Edabregan, and that is what the CPP stands for.
Arabu Emmanuel Gagnon. Madam Asibe said you
Emmanuel
Gallo, sorry. Madam Asibe said you Jebre now this century me better me. Okay, bye. And see Honorable Emmanuel Gallo, Ashanti Regional Chairman, Dema CBP. Was a Yakupon Yadma on the 24th of August. Bosome for Ibe Simon Biono. Once what the one flag bearer, Ediba. Now this year elections, you know. One so Ghana for we say one ko baby aye wo ho na one aye ready say one so near my pa say oman no ensaka ebeboa no wo be hye na obi atimi anya bi eti honorable na what in kan awusha ya to aye nsam no so your command radio 97.1 megahertz okuma dawuru ana wasugusu a wutie no midin de enka obere pojumadi me na medi hu chiamen. Over 339 million spent on National Cathedral since 2020. Over 339 million Ghana cedis spent on a year National Cathedral since 2020. A year Abna Osaya sorry. I know they say semi ababe tugwa na me no ka say se utwa wani akɔhwɛ baabi a Cathedral ida na sika woboyi wonga ka kire say wonga spend it ewo ade now foundation grow want me mpagya na you begin to ask yourself say among Ghana na ye building among na ye pese ekoyie among na ye pese pepepe yo edayie no eye sa na wo say ekɔ ana abusua aban bia ba oba no ababa men no ko den na me no mienu yenya bien ye nipa yi me ne wo a wotie me sese den na ye aye den se ye to aba den na ye expect fi empanifo wo ya na wonye eti den ti na abatu dusu a still wo proso obeto aba no wo betu aba ma obi papa wo obi mame amada bia wo ye na abusua ye ne wagya wo ho ana mpanyimfo ne bamani mukura muntimi nka no kware ngira wan wonga wo begye mutumi ade aye won ho ye wo ba begye mutumi ade adida adaka asakase mu no muntimi nka no kware ngira wan wo ba na mu fransam no ntama na mo de kire wan na afi wo even wo kwapeman mu no there are some of the towns villages communities are me hwe se me hu se bia political parties wo be ko akwa campaign very disgusting so twa yan akwan ai wo kwapeman mu ai wo ba be faso na afie wo ngaye campaign NDC fu ba wo be faso IPP fu be faso CPP fu next month wo ko yi won fly bear wo be ba be faso all the political parties wo be faso wo be fo mango ase kwan ne so wo be ko mango ase pe akoye campaign akodi atoro sa akere won bi o se ye ba yem kwan na mamo e kwan na da ho for how many years ni masema mi bisani e kwan na e bo se na esan ko bi o sese yi ye ba ye kwan na ma no man was a kwan na da for how many years wanyai abusia
Okuma in the room.
Sansami na twadwe koso me say yi party don fi wakoma mansa say ya momodin anye sa ne ma no a kai na hunu say oman Ghana ye mpanyifo ba bia ya bedu na obra ya famu no ye ma ye nena no ba brasing sa obusia ntimi nka no kware ngira mpanyifo no me too kwan kakra bi some few days ago na Jesus Christ of Nazareth okwohwe the road networks wow na ya me ngonwa se so kwan nyina guso da oman Ghana ha na election year yi politicians be fa se kwan yi so na nwakwa campaign ana den asem no wokoka kire nkrofo no ho se mo fa sa kwan ne so a amayofo politicians V8 na modem ntimo de monte mu hwehwe na say na mo fasa kwan ne so ya aya den na mo hunu aya mo fa mo mfere na fa niema ahun hyeda hia sesei ane ya tu sika gu so ko the various schools na kwahade infrastructure kra nya enough wo SHS yes cathedral obie no ya against it and infrastructure anti red go green na mo fra iko because the school down in North dormitory North dining hall ntimi containing won nyina jani na bi be kofie na bi atenem sa sika ya won aboyi infrastructure se betimi amount in the various senior high schools enya de ketwa
Okuma in the room.
ya ngatu agu form sense kan nyina agu form wa bereko abapem na me de wo de kasai wo ko wa wo ade surunku bia won aja watwa na cathedral board of trustees will be resigning one by one abusia yanko ahamane so na yane Mr. Godwin enkonkodi aye enkomo Sir Godwin, good evening na yamakwa abade ba Okuma radio 97.2 ekropo akwapem.
Yes, good evening. Now, how today?
Yankopon da woro ma ye hu ye na ho se.
Aboko. Yes, ye hu ye.
Ere Yankopon ase. Report bi aba betogwa. Aye Ghana Statistical Services. They have to go say by 2030 increase in congestion ebeba ewo enkran ene ne mpatem sa se mi pacho boye nkyiremu kakra
patam se dala no yi kakanti ma tini
me pacho wo to me nka
te sere mi to kan
okay yenya report say Ghana Statistical Services what about to wo say by 2030 no enkran puni man temu no congestion be increase ewo ho sa se mi pacho boye nkyiremu kakra.
Oh, okay. I'm the dedicated Ghana Statistical Services for radio station, and we take for now, as I say, Mama Yakonya say, Yembrana, Yembi, the man on fire, the Kutaya, Yakane, the Twitchy, and Kata, team, say, the Dolobeko anymore. As no quarry say, I feel to 2030, no, yeah, Nipa Dono, Ebeko anymore, now Greta Cry, Ebeko in the city. I share a cassette congestion. I'm only one of Epidos Warren. You can't 2021, but I get a crap for 5 million. Honum. This year, so I call him and it's a won't cut Peter Cranny for the Dono. Epidoso.
It is Sabri Yampa, Mahu Sa, Adi, then Namoba Yedia control. Sadi said, Bedu Sa 2030. No. Sadi entimi si manipa ho nkyere won kramamu.
Oh, so one of the Ghana Service na ye do na say ibu akonta we are ayejuma and I say we are not stop pushing for on some befa ayejuma ya Ghana Service the figures no ebetuka na ejuma ho
Sir, I Ghana Statistical Services, movie more reporter, sending a wokan, Mantini, Hina Modema Wong, Hina was a what one among washer say, Sa congestion ya moment we and Master Wong Cramandem.
Say because you say you were Juma Mushe, so this is National Population Council.
Yeah.
Ministry of Regional Creation, so to be a funny hono figures no so
Sabri so bia na adwen se ono de nkranga no pese otena afutu be na wo de ma sa ni ba.
Oh, say yet to be you be kwan say ma bankari because e bia be binti na say atena be back no be afutu o no say bia no agbogo ho be bia obetan na juma e say ni na idea say work to be awesome.
But I wonder you better was bebre say ujemre e de mayen na nwumre na odi nkyeremi be do mayen bibia na e be san ba wo bio.
Yes, you know say.
Okay. All right. Mr. Godwin, Juma Ghana Statistical Services. What they about to go? Conjecture ekoso e nkran was by 2030 no kwani emu ba ya si yie pa. Enya ni petwa no kura enye ye. Se ne esesei ukase obako piemu wo kantamanto makola ne nempatem ho a no kwari ni ansana obefi ono wa berangasa obaka se won ahwew because nipa usia won nipa oni won be pempem no enya de ketua sa congestion grade o se sa se eye 2030 ebedu dia ene ebebro so kra abuja yenko yasem a eduso eye abi before what in Sambia Babetugwa was say no room for vigilante groups in December post. Any about two about first, no, you were different groups. I want to what your tags me would the one mean describe one fact. Party be one a day. A two for her a ding way, or for her a ding way, or for her way. Na if you are about to know Cosono, a hefty built men. Na wanga bawura ho ene ballot boss na we afa ento kwa bia na asi bibinia na ekoso chese sa nsem yi ana MPP for the New Patriotic Party what nsem ya ba betugwa wo se wo ma ho kwan se afi se amanyoku bia nim na se okofa vigilantes okofa tax okofa groups bi a wo be distracted abatoa ye beto no December 7th na wo ka kire sa amanyoku ni se one penny man na one in ye kura enti emanyoku bi a wode ahye wutim 2024 December 7th elections yi wode vigilantes wode tax wode hefty builtmen abeko the various polling stations no wako distract abato no a ebeko so no kwari MBB fu say one wo enini ye kura ma enya wo de election 2024 so say say yanga candidate CPP for what they want flag bearer ebeba next month August 24th na fe no yanga hu nipa yakọ your friend say election see 2024 ya obeginam diama CPP na mi bisa Ghana fo gusu kai CPP ana Ghana fo wogusu kai CPP na sen na won ahoden tie because ebi ma hyase buru nsu ne deda sa wo hwe bida His Excellency John Dramani Mahama flag bearer for the National Democratic Congress NDC na oyi ni running mate wakoto abayi man no so bayi ni running mate Professor Jane na no poko ajiban de baye na Alankash Afafranto movement nso aboya no ho safi ogiramo de denden wabato ayekọ no afei Cheddar enso eginamu de denden the new force aba say so ko social media no se ni ba bia you to know make sure comment ni ma bia ho a you to know nyanya na ko wodi 2 minutes be ma Cheddar if we say one who say oyo babunu or te say onu ya and sana say CPP fonsu say what you want and other political parties ba bre ni do nyina no eya won Cheddar anti won ka papa na so be ko ballot box na political parties ahoro ewo so a obetimi ato waba e de ama won enti abusia ye be hwanim na ya twen CPP for because once won ade o man so pen CPP for atena o man Ghana so pen enti ye be hwanim na yehu nipa wode ne ba na se ebe fa
Okuma in the rule.
Ghana for beti ase na won ato ama na abusia aha ye Okuma radio 97.1 megahertz Okuma ndawuru ana yegusu a ye bon se na ye dia ba sabre njaga se pa van koma ye opanyi kwame ansa o mampon akuapem uje bre na utie dwumadi pa na fe baby biara wonso sabre utie me fi baby biara a utie me say yo kwapem mu ana outside okwapemai o share me live on Facebook me say nyankopon enhirawa mempenda me di enke obre pon dwumadi me na me di ho chiame obetima join here live on Facebook at Okuma radio 97.1 at Okuma radio 97.1 Facebook na Jumedi Echegu live no what me ahwebi Okuma radio 97.1 YouTube also betiri nya Twitter at Okuma 97.1 Instagram at Okuma 97.1 ubetimi asane message nso de aba bia WhatsApp message bi a opese wo de ba na wo de bebo Jumedi wo bra Jumedi gu so koso na 0551 667-755 0551-667-755 text message you bet me there for WhatsApp and normal text message na fe yen atimi agebre na yetimi ene wadi say Jumedi e de abom kama e wa hanom sei man ko ba bia ye dan ye ho abasesi a na fe Jumedi ni de aka nyina no ye de aba beto awo so
El Shaddai
Hello, this is Frank Edu Asare, your anchor on the show Praise Zone on Okuma Radio 97.1. On the show, we serve you with carefully selected and Holy Spirit-filled songs to encourage, motivate, and set you in prayer. On Praise Zone, we have a segment for testimony at Dansi Diebre. Dengno Nyame Ayama, come and share with others. Also on the segment, we have Kids Bible quizzes, Kids Memory Verse recitals, Kids Key Bible readings. Remember, this program will be live on our Facebook and YouTube channel. You also have the chance to send in messages, to call into the program, and to request a song for a loved one. Why don't you join us to praise God together on every Sunday from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Yenshia na yentrontro nyame yenanase na oye na nadoi ewo hoda. Why ye bia mayenshia every Sunday from 6 to 8 p.m. See you there.
El Shaddai, El Shaddai, El Elyon Adonai,
Okuman Radio 97.1 FM. Ye doye tie for ye pa ne senti ena ye bie ye ntaba media mo bibiara ene nwumekwa aworo se. Se wo pese ye bo ne ma wo dero edema wa ya ye krado bra na ye ne wo enidwa anasa wo ye sofo na wo pese wo preachi ana safo na mo pese mo preachi a akwanya eda wo bibi na ato ena wo pese ye bo hu dero edema wa akwanya eda ho bra anasa jingle hu sense productions na wo pese ye edema wa akwanya ewo ho ana wo ye show bi na wo pese ye be fa no live ewo Okuman Radio so a akwanya da ho se ye edema wo ne hia ne se wo be freying ewo 0202 993475 ana 0594 630059 ana 0246 246 875 Okuman Radio ana okriape mayano.
Don't go anywhere. More coming up.
Because good music can be so hard to find.
Get it here.
It's your boy Travis. Gym Class Heroes, baby.
On Okuman Radio 97.1.
Yeah.
Hype lyrics on the beat.
Niamu pese muunu enu nemuyi. Niamu pese mutinu enu namasugushi. Niamu pese muunu enu nemuyi. Niamu pese mutinu enu namasugushi. Yensho. Okuman Yensho. Yebe una say. Yensho. Yebe una say. Yebe una say. Anti so say abonting no nim say ni dua ho funtu asamba ta twene ma ne ho abasem rasta bien na no kasem papa we say where the attempt from Gold Coast to Ghana still ye ni mana ya one place where the economy oh why Ghana osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah me ma dem fedie unyuma pa na we na ka ye to me we rasta la yaka telecom aka DCG aka sugar factory naka made in Ghana goods na ya the China wa ho pa o man na japa de pay for be the chele kwa ye wo gold ye wo diamond and silver ni nana ayekwa fangona yetu wo men ni mo share ayekwa tete kwashi me ma wo dem fedie the founder of cocoa in Ghana munyuma pa na mo ye na ayaka ye mo pese muunu enu na muyi niamo pese mutinu enu na masugushi niamo pese muunu enu na muyi niamo pese mutinu enu na masugushi Yensho yebe una say Yensho Okuapi man any Ghanaian ni that yebe una say Yebe una ye freedom me ya brother me ya tradam we ye freedom ni bradam aya wo no kwasida inti wuta me atumuda opete so nya nam kese anko bewe na so be rosunu wi no keka wo awon nese inti munya ya numja se wo so ma kwase ye se onko manta maboya na wafum no te wo yira enyina mure twitwa agrada re bubo mu ntakragwa be na otu meri bi saw yi masado wa be yi ya tinya na nyo se bo anim muse mo ye de mu betumi ye de mu twa ya nu sokona no ye de ngarasa na odi anim benkum ni nifa me bo wo bang Breve na kunim dia botiri be kofie asam no pare ye befe ye fa na ye disie asakare chate se utana ma fama be se ya oye du mading na ye sha no kwa hu no se ye mo pese muunu enu na muyi ni am pese motinu enu na masugushi ni am pese muunu enu na muyi ni am pese motinu enu na masugushi Yensho yebe una say Yensho yebe una say
Wo de wa no fi fire ho Wo to ye mrade e say ye ma otumi o me mu be ye de ya brabo be ye fe na nuka no ma ya pa be ye bie ye pro hiama ya kwa be papa wo sikanso ni medi hia o okoje si chana wa braye onyo amemu oboni esi konto bohini ye hu fitempo a ye se koko ona wo beka semno ya hye won funu mu ma timemu fu na ye brehi dollar bako sidi timinto drobo ayede Timinto, 24 crosses, so I will Timinto, Kakoye Bedi, so boys was a Timinto. Can you something among more? Kwesi, they are who you bina, share mama, yeah, and your door who you na da 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 da.
Yeah, quand on touche, elle est broyée. Umrebe so ye betu usia bare. Mudi yedi, kwa jevesia. Na mone musia fuwa be.
Okuyapiman.
Yeah, why don't you was in the Ghana? My Ghana was in Quadanusia there. And you will raise the you belly fool where they kill you. So corruption and dirty games. And my own is Emery and Inca flow. Yeah. Now say what you swap for. Everyone you can need and now what's it for. But since the day you can run wrong, so you will buy a better set up.
Okay, Bushia, aha, your Okuma Radio 97.1 megahertz. Okuma Deuru, Anna Yugusua, Yebo, na Yanga can say ya tepepe, na Yadia Tro, meeting the Anke over the Pondumedi, Mena Midi Hon, Chairman, Sabride, a year may communicators in the Biadi Kamba coming, Sa Ewahanum, into young corner, young share and commodity nasi, said the bear and Neno. You bet me and Mary Baby na young idea de como. Or walk over. Oh, why, Papa? And Emma Quay.
The grace of God.
Okay.
18 say Nyamesha also na at the patchon na moja every day for san omua. The best you can do to glorify God is to thank Him.
Wow.
Yo.
Wow. Nice. Na constituency today. Mugu so.
Constituency day. Boko. In fact, okay, constituency bia. Kwa efa so yenya ma no onhye da entiase. Ena se na nyama kono onhye da ehu. Ena ma etode bia ehu. Ema yen won a yen won kwa kono. Onhye da ehu yen strategies a ye de call elections mo. It no ade ba ko one unique thing away yen ho say ye underrate obia. Yen no yenim say okre abe the safe seat and a traditional seat. In as much as say a safe seat, no, we don't underrate anyone. We are very optimistic. We are very focused and in area. In fact, this election is a special election in a sense. You prove actually Ghana for you say ejuma yem papa honorable Dambotwe no yeni so. In his absence, crowna see to me. And Magana Funu say, even though he's not with us, no. Nejuma pa, nini pa, and how a weapon jaw okre abeduno. Okrefo any eden, any sop, and a winny coon. It's in a gusu. Area Juma, Herbo Juma.
Nice one.
Maybe I bear fine.
The Vice President of the Republic, our year, MP4, more flag bearer. Say the Ejebo Ejenya Baba Bitu.
Minyo Brempong, answer na me buremu hono.
Medio.
I mean, Chamin Penny.
Menko.
Medi Chemo drew Edema, young Papa, Honorable Dan Kokubuchi, or MP for Okre constituency. Or sounds a general manager and a general campaign manager, His Excellency Dr. Mahamudu Baumia. Our next president. Michian baby biara owo. I mean chia yem parliamentary candidate. Or no also ye district chief executives. Ewo okre. Honorable Daniel Kenneth. Abemua oni penyi anantiye. Yaman akwenya se ontoa eduma panoso. Baby bia won michiano. Na me chia me constituency chairman. Chairman already kwano. No weapon fashioned against him shall prosper. Baby, a owo biara michiano e manajo. Me wura mu encouraging.
Okay.
Chairman Jeff, baby obiano michiano. Tony Oseyeji, the fantastic regional secretary. me boss ba ko pe maybe obi a be channel ono ye NC original director.
Oh, okay.
Na ne krakra. Okay. Eno ba ha. Okay, Tony ba ha ne. Okay. Na ne krakra. Binchia mi communication director. Mi re fi Chumberima. The Yellow project.
Yeah.
Dr. Chumberima.
Yes.
Na mi chia okrefo nyina party ma electoral coordinators, police station executive. If I want na ye adwuma no, oka adwuma when it comes to the party worker, is the police station executives. Me chia won. Any work ka won. Na bi chat to me nua oku. Ono am director okre, director of communication. In fact, eno na order. Edia oku. Me wish you belated happy birthday. Me mpa bone say nea onyame ahyehye ama wo biara emrepemu no wa woda no erade enhwe so na mfa nhye ne ho nyam e wa brabo mu.
Nice one. Honorable Samuel Nyante Jesse Okre ABP Constituency Research and Elections Director, our Sanya Eastern Regional Communication Team member Dema MPP. Fi Ogusu Abebo na Jumapa ana wote na nkana. Conviction akwaba.
Major Sumunia.
Na umbom today.
Yes, madam.
And that the is the wash that I found one gaza. About a career come up.
So, Africa.
Nice.
Abampo.
Africa. Nice one. Now, constituency to say, obey.
Oh, Yamiadum.
And this is for a boa a year constituency.
Yo, me don't say. Say, constituency there, Boko. Dikai, midi, and Munyam, Bema, a tumura, a CD Jenny. The abortion assassin. Say, oh, my, emre we ever na ha, Ebeka. Dear young so, ya train, a fa, Ghana, my home. Medana say, so dear and quite chain. Now, if you know, Metia national executives from the incoming president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Nemetia, my national chairman, any all regional chairmen, may branch in the constituent executives be across. I mean, by Midima, Metia Small Boy Danger, Dr. Mark Oliver Cavill, regional chairman of the East. Now, Metia on the team, Metia all constituency executives across. Now, by medium, Metia as the one. A year, Eric William Kofi Aite, the owner and the overseer of our constituency or Swimo. I bedu ya 8 years ni na atetu nya mane hunu akufado ni na pam 4 year fam and so nyameni wo hono me chane bi obia na machia the incoming MP of Okre. Spiritually I know we have it, and I know on the 7th of December about 6:30 and at 5:30 it will manifest physically. So your Prince Harry enim already obi ani papa bobra obi ni papa who say employment ehun hia na across Okre ko national we papa we no na obi opa sumudwi watete nimba onyamisromu the golden boy Prince Henry enim already be MP hwebe come December 7th. Na mechia aye conservatives ni branch for nyina. Ni bi otimi bia ene. Nyakopon amaw nkwa ode home no.
Nice one.
Nyamisha nyina.
Nice one. Confusion here, okay, constituency organizer and member of the communication team, the NDC. And now what's in kind pay free on and ne minimum baby di a year Juma Ewakasa free so. Honorable Nyante, Mami Embra wo National Service Secretariat, what in Sembia Chuga, or say Ghanaian youth are being taken for granted. Okay, Ube to me the Anwashe, Nimansana Wabasa Semi. So, and then Nami Bisa Kekena, watch it in Simi.
Let's move on to the topic.
Okay, that's fine. But Gabe person Ube Kasa walk. Sa
Mama Konya,
Marty. National Service Secretariat, also Ghanaian youth are being taken for granted. Sense me or the other Chuga no so there.
Abrimpo medase answer na mebemu ho no senior Ghana fo enya ntie de down no enne ejana bedu the vice president his excellent Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne running mate or the dean Abetudwa na enye wonwa
obvious even from the start
enye wonwa but you see Yen party no a conservative party. Na abrido nyina ye nyama ye wo nhyehyei a ye fa so ye nyama. Nti mpanyin a esene fata a yes ye proper consultation because the vice president position it plays a major role. It plays a very key role in our political arena. Nti no on sorry prekope even though you are the candidate, you decide who to be your running mate. But the structure of the party needs to be respected. Inti eno ena adanedi no. Inti no, I don't think it should be a matter of so much concern. Say bia achewu say cheyu. The most important thing is that who is on the ballot paper. The ballot paper is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Inti no, yenim how omaino yen political arena no etie. For a vice president coming from our stronghold, I think we have to give thanks to the Almighty God. Nice. Yeah. NSS. We are not taking, the government is not taking the youth for granted. Abayi basono, neni ku mebun pa. The mere fact say impo onya kukudru, edi free education e baye no. Echire say neni ku. Eye imbebu mu. Yenti America is saying nyina ne say, "Ohwe the genesis of national service scheme. Na ohwe won aketua. NPP aban ena ye aban a aba ama national service. Uye national service as if say uye adwuma. Eno ne ehun say services na no omo ye no ema oman no. We can do something better. Instead of some national service, I'm not going to fear. A hot near introduce you then, a napco. Napco, ya catch a gun and funina said napco, a tempera, and ye permanent. But then, me know ya drink say, in Pempino, Oko Pejuma, a Juma Fono, and a Jumana Okopeno, a would demand working experience. And believe you me, say, you will be more national service person be a jumana obebono, a single beer or ye permanent worker. Away jumanim. So that brought the idea, say, and this is for unemployment graduate association, no, we are going to eradicate it, we are going to discard it. Near the NAPCO, abesheho. Send ye beya ebemani bahu ahahano. It's in MPP abang ain't me ni imebum yamo da. Obripon. Meka abre napko introduce napko. Meko minya kwenya ekwatina pana no so. Sata na district office no opposite Reginist. Na yarho. Obi ewie school ekwa na masters. O hwe ni age. Okra. Documents okra. Na nimdia ni pay wo na we chichichichia no wonder you know say only working experience, and it was sad. I'm telling you the reality. It is a fact. One guy tina panel no so former education director Ewokre, former can I say coordinating director Alhaji Abanga won nyina no te panel no so bi. Many of who is my witness. And you see this nice man Ushene credentials, ushene academic qualification, na even ne intellectual abilities in responding to questions ayebisana. Na only experience into a man edwuma na how. So NABCO came to do what Napoleon couldn't do. In fact, Unemployment Graduate Association. What be that? It was a formidable association. No, to dues. Dues no what the bon bosia. Into what Jebosiana Bosome now they are more back. Bosome now they are more back. Sika baako erotetisa as a recycling. Sika baako.
Sabi be mo kakra NABCO wogusu wo ho na woni because
like I said earlier,
temporary.
It was temporary.
Okay.
It was temporary.
Okay. But
and you see the good news is that the NABCO personnel now ye found abreso about 70 to 80% has been enrolled to the various institutions a more permanent job.
Wow.
I'm telling you, you get 1 or 2 people they've not gotten employment. That one there.
And recently we had a reportage. So even a minor still what the NABCO for so I say me what UTB.
Oh, me TB, but me to me engineer and say a beer. Yes, me TB. But that cannot be reframed. Yet,
Timon did not go for Cabio.
Yende easy show. Say, when he bo no bide in so jewa. Oh, yini panebonia yo. Say, wo minimum area anopa no jomin so can hear anymore. Ojazie. NABCO personnel at that time, they were unemployed. They were unemployed. And the good news is that almost sikana na yede ma wono, it was without tax. Ni enti tax also.
Okay, 1 minute number jo wesi for mama.
Ebe bua won papa. So to sum up no, MPP ya benya se onje imebu mwa anka o introduce NABCO to keep unemployment situation among the youth. I'm being honest with you. Your research say most of the various institutions that were Ghana say workers are formed permanently 3 years, 2 years ago. No, omunye bebrena nye NABCO personnel sana. And when you are oka emebum the youth drive ewo omayimua masa we are top notch. And when and the digital man Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Ose Oba 1,000 youth every year will enroll in software development. And do you understand if you are training 1,000 youth in a year in software development? They just say nipana odi enima ose or employ that kind of youth no. Let's say nipan or vision. Because she baby a man near do ni wiase do ya. Now we are in a global village. Yeah. We are in a global village. So it takes a visionary leader to think deep. Say, me ba 1,000 youth. Me train you mo. Ewo software development. And then obeka the software. Onim insusan soa. Sa software development na obe 20,000 youth in every year no onim sunsanso ade bebre omangana senior free education no onim sunsanso ade bro mangana but I yield a fruitful result.
Confusion. National service for what's Ghanaian youth are being taken for granted. So I say bacho so like
many amedase edikan meda nyamia CPM na makacha wo se ewiase e wono se nye John Mahama ena nipa di woneni ato ne so se aye bida well experience enyo no a anka ene asema si ogana say Ghana for who said there be sana ye wajinkwa bi a obitan ba ji yankwa anu nti yenya hombrase ni ntoboase a Ghana jibu sani se wohwe already history kakra na wohwe de si ye ansana Jerry John Rawlings edi revolution baya ene eye west sensa so wohwe ewiase a minia ewiase ye woyi why na demonstration bi muda se obi ni misen Akufo do bebedi oman so na demonstration ene a obi njin dida sani se eye president Akufo do kansa no oyo obi a demonstration there of anokwa o hwe ni history ni political reign nyina o yibe demonstration pa de ope ti nanka ka obedi oman so de nanka ye hu hia se obeye niema e di demonstration beba mini what ma say enu di me se me nam sese a me nkasa nya ko ru grounds pe am so coefficient to boy nyamia ye wi sane se nipa na ukono ho no otegana bebi ndi otie nyina nsema ya beka o ha nyina no sebe nyi se bia ye wonya sase omo but ya konya bi ni nya ni aba se ye beka na nkofo hu se dabi sena ajinkwa bi wo ha ye fe na John Dramani Mahama menia bisa ho se edebe na MPP for di omonsa ka a ayeda every day me bisa omo se we dem bi Ghana fo nyina ntina se ka se o MPP for ba abanwa so no omo se mbe ye we omo ye enso mo ye mana ye ebi ni biase ni pe bi o se me boa on the on free no prove me wrong a democracy Union Anciana Baumia our payment penye di ka kire se national service it will not be mandatory unte Baumia na ka sam nipa no ni experience it is a MPP communicated because experience what was meet only lenses in finding the company and try and see near ben Minia national service media manko school hwe ewiase ene tomatoes utonesen prepaid last metena taxi bi also de bi atoso oni mo republic declare to fu amu obeying no akwadwuma na fanse obeying no akwadwuma obedidi se be benu nsu ene piota eton sen na obeye djuma wo se ni pemba 3 months 4 months ani pemba obetu rent na amuko striker obisi he sani be biase no pe ene sisile da pa onu ni made kran kakra otumi via kampono echen obi a we Juma Bank of Ghana. This is the Nikunu suit or channel. It meets to Jenica for 10 good years. Back up. It is counting machines I did can sika. Back with 34. Consider the perfect you can sika 5 hours. Near kind be. Now, Obi national service or someone in mind. Kakra or the man. No, dear faka. Akwadwuma aban se mi ma meni anti de mega chiro no se omu entwen 24-hour economy sani se SCA ewo hei akabe 5 months na nsesai papa ni papa be ba ma brabum wo training college under John Mahama na uncho licensure exams na unye national service as opposed to Mahama Sibana Obano licensure exams na o training college a otron obetwam we nurse ni atetia ufum bima fum am school am wo fie an si napuko e ne napuko egu mewa ewon esunya experience be fa waju adwuma no yin ene unemployment rate and the Mahama and the unemployment rate today so we go and now check your phone so obehu Ghana ni yenim andi enyi di eye se obehu se ko neko GNDC membership card neto bama NDC jomama and the MP baby will come to issues hwe amanfo fu e mu go mu kan mu kura a day it me tua service personnel be 10,000 kraka but ye few about on do so e be bro se jiska ne to aba jiska ne di ne to beti o san seska mu bro no e Ghana for isika hwe me hu obi a na ono ni madam for mo kira de no e teacher ni na ba so pe MPD o ma delegate bia 1500 cedis amu of 555 at each polling station times finance kropon and then finance bia okria times 96 currently 98 polling station e secretary e be company ma wonya jumaye eso fa ma about modern ba be 1 million 2 million kodi on chewu bi obanya adwuma aje nipa no etiche ni o ene otimi tesika wo tiche ni na wo tiche ni sai wo ti oyi utimi no nipa no etiche ni abai DC ene no otimi de pay a wo gini for 12 years a chairman go for within 5 minutes then obeye the ben say obeto abetia sa abanwe
conventional si for mama
Miriam, and did they make her say, Obi bien, and yabutre. No, who's a jinkwabi eba. Nasa a jinkwano. Or no, ne beti me ama Ghana abeye, and ne John the Money Mahama. And ye napku phone a democrat independence square. Arise Ghana you for your country. And ne, yes, I say. Sebe boa ama NDC John Mahama ye wini election ni abesesa otina bia sani say eye nipa kakra bi pa NDC ka no minute ma say we ye service personnel ene kakra edi ma wa ndu 7 million kwa no ye ntiauka ebede no ahwe anda President Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo ni Baumia. Edi things they say have exposed them. Maybe say when say uhwe Akufo-Addo any MPP omu government then omu do saka omu so mutuma ye mana yi point ba ko chame.
Our studio. Convention da se meba ho bi o. Orabo nyante ye ko yen aseme wo ho ana wo niam ba ko mi bi apese o ti fi won so a.
Oh,
two of you nanka yen trust.
You see, this game politics no ho. Me metra enye me ho nyachom. Because say obetina na ka obi o teacher ni na 1 man ko 4,500. One den watch e. Insu no watch e wo wonde na ziana. Insu se better fra chen watch e wonde na ziana. Obu baby say odi I heard them and to obu. So don't pretend say mo ye saint. Ultimately, where politics is going on, let's speak to the issue. Let's stick to the issue. Ninja personality, we personalize issue. What you say? Or not connect politics or connect election. Whatever process of femu, the connect election niano, e woni nsem. Into no in fact obi metna gas a teacher ni na wakojilo na dende wonder no change you na say nyenzu no wache
over 339 million spent on National Cathedral since 2020 since me to Ghana for say na say sika nyina chimi akwakowura cathedral ana up to now as a yen sheda ehunu se edan yi epeja ora was asim ba chawo usobure mame
National Cathedral.
Yeah.
In fact, Ghana hano ho. Sena de bia meka no. Amamuo eyento aso. Obeba bamu, obeye. Obi beba obeto aso. And National Cathedral na cathedral bia. Enye se yesi ni keke. Na mo emfaso de ebeba among man dachi no. People have no idea. In fact, it takes a visionary leader to come up with putting up that kind of edifice. Me manya kwenya kwa India da. Ne frɛ kuro bi sɛ ye frɛ place bi sɛ Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. Ɛwɔ Delhi. Menua ade china de sa nipa etupu in and out. Ɛwɔ Taj Mahal. Not for anything, no. Just for tourists, because Danny had the marbles in a sea. Marbles in a sea. It's Otia, and they pay in dollars. $5, $10. That ocean nipa dodoa etupu in just to have a view as to how Taj Mahal natia. You have no idea. And people are making money. Now, me meta atwam ridge. Ejuma koso. Na mo won say along the line no COVID ebe how nyama bebre. Ema won ejuma no I slow. But a lot has been pumped in. Because enye dan ketwa o. Enye dan ketwa o. Enti sika na ye maame abeno say yasay no. Ebi kura ka ho. Enye dan ketwa o. And we see no. A serious project. Na ye wia Ghana for better yase. Hwe ye won kofi bi omo impede development. Na what jing ene. Ofu so ye deda. Na Ghana fu be som. Na Ghana fu ebi mu enyanti asentem no wo som na ekọ na wanya kokudru. Amfa anye ne opesa o because wo na unim mfa so de beba unda chia. Na odi won achia na aboyen. But MPP aban ye nyesa. Ibe twa epokoko no. Ni ebe duo na Ghana fo be hu ni ntia. Sa project no ese eba so. In fact, me twemu enche bia me call can say madam fo bi o passe Ghana School of Law graduation or conference center. Inya kwanya me konante ho me hu ni ekoso. Itino I think Ghanaians should support the government. Na ye to mean complete. Na me enjoy ene. Yes, we understand. The economic situation no eya dia eyare ho. But then senya de bia meka no enye Ghana nko na efesi sa nia ekoi. Enti eno kranti ena wo atwentwen so kakra. Senya meka out here because say minje min di say commode na we scanner residan a obekoso ma commode na why dey what to aso aka say okosidan. There be it's not done. Enti no economy no I stabilize no. Nyama bibia be fine. Iti Ghana for one koso nya rehemu we mu na ye ndi omuhwemo da bia da. We will value for money. We will value for money. Na at appropriate time no ye be bon konta akire Ghana for ma Ghana for hu say sebeta frache yesuma obanyansani obanyansani eden yesuma no. Iti no we are doing so much. Iti Ghana for nya koma abotayem emaye. In fact de bia many jesem adebia ema meni so se me Ghana ni na me a member of New Patriotic Party ni say Ghana fo aboyen papa abotra Ghana fo enyama yen no eye ho and based on that abotre no me jemi di say yen party no endi omuhwa de biada. We will push it. We will push it hard. I will make sure say abana what to my yeno omukokrumutino omukokrumutino eso abanfaso ema Ghana fo nyina eso abanfaso.
That's it. Convision. Over 339 million Ghana cedis spent on national cathedral since 2020. I've not say sorry na this sense in betu gas. I say most of them.
Me da say. Aye Bible na ewo ho no. Da ben na wo se Nyankopon aka kire yen Ghana for say. I was say see sorry then man. With the kind Bible me the German school na me nkwa sorry. Na ba meje Bible na wo hodi no. Me soa ana me de soa. Ahimfa ne a chose Ghana for. Dachen I was say ko see sorry then man Nyankopon. Asa na odi e boni a chen. De prove mami. 2 any say awiase oyi e was say hwehwe obi apeso di mampani ana odi institution bia adwumu ye. Sani say wontimi nkobom paye e wo dem nga Yakopon say odi abayo yi mauna ware na obeye si na bedane obusanfo adisua because Bible say carry your own cross. Anunti na mbisa will say pointi adeba kwa eye MPP government modo musaka no maye mana ye yida. MPP government promise ye 1 district 1 factory, 1 village 1 dam, 1 million 1 constituency. I can go on and on and on and on. And to the extent say, on permission say, very important for number yejumo Ghana. Mewa. Sanse muka change now. Oman can change say, Akufo Addo Bompaye. Ashe bo manya me say. So we need a banner obeyesi. MPP for shebo. Shegana for nyina bo sanse Nyankopon bo. And a man no me a better nice one. Obi one man penny be a was set Nyankopon bo or my muda. Papa Akufo Addo MPP. See amu one man penny be. Now unim say Nyankopon na yasono esumo no. Onye Nyankopon di jago. Ama be judges for them ye see amom. Ye bubu ni nyina. Male ambassador me be esi cathedral no eho na ewo e bubu no ama na as I speak to you no young man and eto and the tweka rent hotel man on for them judges for e rent den ama mo no mo dem with yeto etua all in the name say ye see den ama Nyankopon ya kra toy I de ebo na ye no ye design no una Akufo Addo pepe eno kwa no
confusion measure
toy
the ultimate say
baby say hwe US uwa ye wu art with design yes statue yes ye toy as Akufo Addo statue yeah statue mpacho di bankani statue statue no ya Kenoforiata John Kuma ya obi o ya appointee any MP and Akufo Addo no ya import ni nyina baku bi $1 million katilo na resi no ya is statue nyina ya di beti sim baku bi $1 million abo aya design keke isa kra abo bi aba ise wona bizoma sebi ebia amomu ye gay ni lesbian fo bet mako ye aware wo hokra enu de enkan ko pasam o hwe design na wo hona say hey amsa me njindi ono bi me say o bet mako Pentecost na be man be mako ware Pentecost ana praise be na Roma de brebi a whole no idea to me high. You can any tourism. What me rent ho. Na give for Kowaro. Cathedral is in. Coffee design. Jamon we design down. Memo could you black number ene. Man na I will give you check and you see.
MP Northtown.
Yes. From my hometown. From Mepe. And then a year as a fool. Ye dey my board members. Say omo na mbo na isa den we be resign me ba. Minia me bisa. Sa cathedral sisika yes no. Woni me pado do a ebetimi apɛ edwuma mama yo Ghana. Na me bisa wo cathedral we na ka MBV manifesto wana. Read MBV manifesto. Never say omo promise yen say you be see asori den amanyakopo ana. These people waste the state money. They waste our money, our resources. Hey, every morning TV3 where they be myopia. So what I mean? They have eyes, but they know they see. They have heart, but they know they feel. Can you say? And obi timi nko radio to go defend the MPP.
Commissioner House for mama.
Minia, maybe someone national service for clock strike Ghana. Physical university cathedral in the name of cathedral. Say MPP leader Bompire say Adebe Manyankopon nie no odi yen sika na koye. Na me Bompire yan wo ma medjuma nye. Na mi twa tighter. Me go to me buto for say you go tell me tight. But say, you can Malaika 3, verse 8, Ebana. Also, I will curse you with a curse. Who they can? Black, kaka. I say, when you say, okay, and then me be focused to the sense say, but we meet to be a pastor for say, I will tell you, can say a joke. He joke with the clergy. Who told you?
Conviction.
Anything me just say. Ghana for.
Yes.
Sika ye westi. Ama emvo je tu sika sika do kapono e bro.
Me da see.
Me ba. Efa economic benefit bia embre ene. Hwe se wu ye bibi wu ye investment. Wu ye say dachi. E de gains be bro. O Ghana gas atobo gas.
Yeah.
Ma see ye no. Ene ne ho fa so no. It may be see as for theft. As for theft, yeah. Only me maso. As for theft, Ghana gas they see here. I mean MP Dambo say oh Ghana gas for fasro. They see be odukro. Ye bobo keke. Ye rente. We NDC no kwa informa. I'm telling this thing. On the 9th of this July, ye incoming MP Prince Henry Enim Oredu, the golden boy, the birthday. 2 months ago, they arranged me. Say, order from above say, "Mom vaka park ni yeden." Am I? Okay. Let me get you ne. Eti ene, ukwe retake park to a. Mako high mowa, and I made dosso. Mako program no. Myopia. They have heart. But then they feel.
Bacho. Bow ho. Verse to ba. So we say hi Okuma Radio 97.1 megahertz. Okuma Deuru. Ana yegusu yebono kama meeting the enke obrempon jumadi me na me di ho chiame fako Facebook ma me na fe messages back come you be aba ho ne yenko kan but we also betima join here live on Facebook at Okuma Radio 97.1 we fi Henry J kwache o say good work thank you yegusu ti ha yes some we fi Dokunu Raba Kojo Danko o say good evening, I like the patriotism in you, keep the fire burning. Thank you all. Mama demo messages sa benyina no. Nyankopon onhira na onka ma onye kese. Usu betuma join here live on Facebook at Okuma Radio 97.1. Na afi what the one sem bia wo abetimi dia ba support jumedi e dey aba betumo. Oramo ye movie akọ, oramo nyante ye movie akọ. Yasem a edi ho. Ye movie akọ yasem a edi ho che. Hello. Ye movie akoya asem edi ho no room for vigilante groups in December polls. Before Monsema Modi Ababechu go see ye be to aba hefty built men near sometimes vigilantes are the various political parties, you know. One say before see more man who can be side and watchem, but just as Muslim name.
Abrabo. When me say party be Ghana ha, we say one away the most violent political party in Ghana and the world at large. I own him. Abrabo him.
Sir.
Oh, what's one of the violent political party in Ghana?
Party be o man Ghana how one kasa asem na kasa.
Oh, na ya hu osu no bang. What's the free revolution? Into one be bia I say they are so violent to the sense say one kwa kensia say usie hu o just say say prepare ho na do hote. And you see Finland too bana ye je kamemami kabi amamo etumo no. They've never won any election in this country. They've never won any election in this country.
From 92.
Ebano.
And this is for this is 16 years.
Listen, they've never won any election in this country.
So how come? So ungetimi really 16 years. I was nsemi how can you?
Intin eno enemomuye the most violent political party. Enti se oma weni ye mrekakra obetwa fa so. It was we boycotted an election.
92.
Say election a boycott ye no. And you say you boycott keke and ne mfaso no enne ye nyina yeti meno yetim bi no. Na sanka yam boycott sa election a anka meno anka na yenti ha. So it was boycotted for a good reason. That is why one line of your anthem say we have won to save Mother Ghana. We did certain things to save Mother Ghana. We took certain decisions to save Mother Ghana, irrespective of our personal interest, irrespective of the interest of the party, but it was the interest of Ghanaians. And you know, Sisiana Yababemu, Yabamba, President Kufuor Mreso. Esa bam is excellence na danko akufado mreso enye ne mreso ena oba be maho kwan say vigilante groups emefa oman nfa. We are not violent political party. It is since we are not violent, you know, ye kura to me no ye ma be do violent no way so and the NC da o ma tofo nya won da NC da
vigilante groups. MVP namu obi. MVP namu obi.
Who say ni obi?
Yo.
Na wako fans o ma bro nka yeren. Against yeren. But it will soon come to an end. It will soon come to an end. Yenya be ko kono. Kamem kabi. Kokromoti eno do ko box nim akwakere na adwen. Ntokwa ben. Those days, Jesus ano, yet say snatching of ballot boxes. One to be that. Heaven and earth snatching ballot boxes. Oh, one no much men for ba. Hey! No one should that crazy see me send to call bram non box number. Box me banana is a yard to abandon down. You know, those the any biaba. MPP amamu amani biaba our elections mu. In fact, we have done very well. Say ye the Ghana abedu impempesui ewo ye electoral colleges mu. In fact, enye MPP a anka election a better time. Ya harmonize ade no.
And jabi before more vigilante groups no just to fight.
Oh, minia. Ya until group bia o. Na macho for reba no ba bro a o betre so ma bro. Ah. And you know the secrets.
You know what the security are more than ho bang.
Oh, nanga omo ho bang. Obo ba oti e obi ba so obeye wa dia protect him.
Yeah.
Self defense. And the trick na head you on me kan wa me no one I'll tell you.
So
the vigilante group, it will soon come to an end.
Okay.
Say, everybody say in terms, you see, on the 2020 elections, no, there were one or two incidents via ACC, and we be so move. Hey, NIA police phone, and then.
Delta Force.
Delta Force, why they?
Say modern Delta Force.
Minimum.
I don't want to answer me.
But you see, we are a peaceful political party.
Okay. See this year, Nyandia you be hunu in the vigilante group.
I ain't no to me no.
Okay.
Yeah, man who
okay.
A man for macho men and be bribri and so. Yes, ye chem.
Martin.
And for macho man we have enough security to manage our electoral colleges. So why do you need unknown security? In fact, we don't need them.
Okay.
And you know, we always ensure peaceful atmosphere during any activities organizing. And shaken of football say, I feel where a banner ebetono, devoid of panic. And who be enim ko nako tuwaba. Oko now go tell to me now this Dr. Baumia to say team obe abrante kama fe kro Chinese suit o de tilenim team no kofia kwaje wa home no peti bi ni kokobi na onom atwe 5 o'clock o ti ase obiarin to me no bia hwe it will ensure a peaceful election
and transparency.
For transparency there easy minua se obi obeko election no because ye wiano no ono angaza wiano miss ono angaza ye den o wiano
okay.
Na yaba police station ni pass a line wa beto aba ye hwe papers no ballot no e wo box no egu adeso audience almost spectators wonyina agents wonyina wogina obi 1 2 3 yewe ya choro unya 0 wenya 1000 ya choro oti we so wa choro afo se den eno wako election petition ya wako num tea ni biscuits yen time no we didn't just get up in the call mebo as me man no be si no abre a ye den ye election no e call court no yan sorry keke we went there with evidence say 0 220 no near the 0 account even duplicate of you can say pink sheet no otia say it has been altered reason ben what we call court no they have no reason but just that they wanted to score points say yen what they call court is one so to look so good to seek that sympathy from their people but the fact they say this year devoid of fear and panic.
Honorable Samuel Nyante Jesse and our ten in Kano. Kwame Amponsa, the Diamond, or joining live on Facebook, or say great show. Thank you, comrade. Convision. No room for vigilantes. Every before this and me about to go say December post here you could party be anywhere was or the vigilante be answer them. So I say me patcho so then.
Minya medase. Vigilantism under Kufuado ena yehu the crocodiles yehu the invisible force yehu forces be brave. Now every day you come meeting me catch nipa se e was say ohwe nipa na won ne edele no na hu se de on ne bedele. Before 2016 elections or 2012 elections, Akufo was saying, "You na yo mienu Akufo I say you na yo mienu me ba. Amam pene Akufo no nsem no kan. Ama zo weti wa kra bibi akra. Adentina I was say obi oposo am peni o kan nsem we. But was am utima say. Na ohwe ayewaso west by election. Now to compare other by elections at the west. ba me nim say nim de e ade bi a wo ye ko wanim say ade we be bra no ase me ba chwa ma say o hwe 2020 elections now o hwe number of MPs I will parliament say now hwe Famina MP akufo de tunu mu to say on mini nye juma ene hore ni juma me wa now share 2020 elections compare 2016 elections number of MPs are munyaye point and kill our soldiers full and once mo ba share elections from they were in town to kill people. They shoot. The police also shoot at people. 18-year-old on the radio, you're shooting the kuno, not a party agent. So, me go agent, a mommy political party, you kuno. After nothing. Double or no, one ko suku, one ko bibia, or your phone, or tone. Same way cycle or no as I speak to you, no. Okay, national security who are ye de moye. Minia sa 2024 election ekoi. Never be BCC. Osha a first in history. Say MPP MP. Timiko via ballot papers of parliament. Unmuza Carlos Anyinka say wo as ordinary person na go via sa ballot paper wo polling station kabasa wo on some prison umza ene ono na mo even in life say to aba ayi speaker nipa na momo dina jambra no Carlos Anyinka via ballot papers of parliament. It tells you who they are. A first in history. Say, a friend saying, Mamu, a friend saying, easy, Madam Jezebel, a friend saying, a Jezebel, a friend, easy, a chairperson, a friend saying, J. Mensa, I'm saying, Jezebel, I'm saying, Jezebel, J. Mensa, only first in history, oh, Ghana, and then made to 2020 elections. Or changing results more than 5 times. Check your website. First is person. Now say limited registration. Kwano. Jenny Ekono say, oh madam, Mpacho share IT department. Let me say they are somehow something wrong with them. Now I just such a person, such a referee, who call election, say very careful. MPP say no vigil. When they can, you say, Kotuaba, ye be kind, ne wini. Who releases, who protects us as Ghanaians? Human penny, meboa. I don't think the can say, move for pepe your any pepe in juma. Obisi na NDC for a violent TGC. Yes, sir. Say ban in your dimpa dia. Kind of near dimpa. Amampeni John Mahama will hand over as a president that will lose election to Akufo-Addo. Bray Champion to make dinner we catch it and say, oh no, they will never hand over to NDC. No toy hotels. Bray Champion. No Mampeni say, on so all hand over that. Mampeni on office no can same way. One nka uko election na then obeka. First, even they make sure they say vigilante is there.
Yes.
NDC branch executive, the NDC member be able to be a vigilante. Going to this 2024 elections. I am telling you, not the only thing that will change is that Jezebel, what saying?
Jane Mensa.
I mean, I'm saying Jezebel. Jezebel, are you Jane Mensa, are you with Feno? Obey declare John Mahama as the winner of 2024 elections. Otherwise, every Ghanaian will be a vigilante.
Conviction me that's it.
Tebeba, make it natural. I am telling you today on authority. Say, 2024 election, no, we have our own referee who declare the results. Like the way Azu and Nelson Kain. Or say, I'm going with my own referee. You must knock out. Thank you.
Me that's it.
I know it. Me Chelsea. Get a new beer with a chinny boy. Dokunu boy. Bide boy. And then watch it. We give a medi watch here. 50 Ghana. We already watch here. 30 Ghana. No. Me Chelsea. They will all be vigilantes. And then dollar. Unim. You don't know what anything. And then madam will be. Or be being serious. No one is the conviction. My top of my mind this morning. Dollar to CD. No continue. Or send me to Obama NDC.
Me that's it. Conviction. Me that's it. Abusha. Sorry, you also bet me a fret. Na fe what the wajin tre. To me have boa Jumedi. Numbers are over to my first so yeah 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 and I say 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. Now for you get me a wajin tre dia boa Jumedi. No bet me start joining live on Facebook at Okuman Radio 97.1. Na afei Jumedi no a ekoso wo fidie nyina no watimi enya akonya na onso wahwe bi nti 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 Friday Joso na afei ye wadwentwe e de aboa eye Jumedi no Honorable Nyante yako yen asem a ediwa okay yen your frefo a odi kan ewo ahoma no so. Hello, good evening. Hello, Mbajo Temenka. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Your phone
Edward Mbajo Kasafi.
Me Kasafi Teacher Manti.
Teacher Manti, Edward Kasani yanko.
So, Musa the name in here.
Okay.
But took a prayer. So, you tell Obia or your mom, we papa, or in another. And you know, 2015, or go for missionaries. Missionaries. Now, I'm saying, yeah, and this is when I covered. Missionaries in Cafe and Cafe at Chip Lado. Now, so, Yanaka, I'm a moon theatre, Gina Oma, on the team, Oma, you see? And this is not blaming me. But sometimes only a moment, I say, I feel strange before. Penny Totana, for missionaries war. I was South Africa, Ghana. So, obviously, never won't get
Okay, bringing to know medase nemom no kwani say mo ba so ampacho ensem a ebeye atenie opening toto ne sa ensem no ampacho mo modern na mo nyimfi mame mo nka asem ne sane yete nemom ma oyaw emmem ma atenie emmem 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 say obo modern now fra ibejo so na fe ye de wadwenche abo adwumadi no 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 honorable Nyante yen last topic you know CPP for wonga di o man yi supen e say na yen sheda nto wonka wo se nyame yadema August 24th what they want a year flag bearer eba afi say wahwe sene wo man no mu aye ding ni ade na wo beba beje 2 minute dey afi MPP ni NDC for nsem nyina so dey uze
o e serious dey
wo se nwani abre koma ye ni wundi ye no
den ejeze nwani abre o do me head office in kase wani abre o the job is on the ground omo we he
enti oh, we need chance be as a fee elections go bet me
chance ben easy yenka the reality in plain political parties are any Ghana MPP and then Kaifon. One come. You see, do you know what they are doing now? They are singing chorus. And the chorus now worried to nyom no. Nia ninyom to no bene deno.
Honorable member, maybe my number seems to be 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 and now 0270 191 971 0270 191 offer I be so now for anybody in common. Honorable Bachocho.
Listen, Sisia ne woye no. They are singing chorus. Inti nea wonyum to no bene deno. No ape baby amanash and run away.
Okay, yeah, your friend for Ahamano. So hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me Bacho Udin is an Akasafi.
FM now, but I don't know if I'm tough with an FF latte, Kubase.
Latte Kubase, Nana Bacho Chirawajanko.
Oh, Aqua. Eti Mr. Bisa, a politician, he say. That ben pa na se bibi kwe na ankoyi ya wankasa be premaka se I de ankoyi na yesu yetumi edi nwachi na abiribia obia ba na okama na ho akwa me no kase sisi ensu tutui bomodia na ka kire nipa benu na MPP NDC ne a wo mo na se CPP no ka won se won fa ka o tena egu adado market. Even though a dos market ho no mo gije ticket ni ade na ebu ekwapem no for nimpo akwa market ho ankasa person no ukita ka na odan ho kwenyi ko fiese ni market ni mo tutu station ho akaba tese ene fi a dos ko ka menwa se ene bu boka suhu ofi suhu a de short we se ujine patron of law san ya ko suhu a wona wo du menwa se pe ona akoyi how do you pass up and say just go for food ya kusia men sha obeli and this is amazing na pen yete yoyi esi omu nyamu say be me santin no be campaign no omu use say won can say cash le hot phone si ya ba ye be yam messing the one ye enti wo hu wo ye enti wo be ka bi dia chen ko phone si ampa ye ka bi si ye be ye bi si ya na so e bi ya bi nti si kwani na mapia baby na mosamaya na ja sese anu do won ka dem ni won kan sa ti ya ma pan ya e ti ko mu no ya mu to yen because
okay nana I think say all points no were made ya te wase yankopon sure said na so jebre dem ma yen 0551667755 0551667755 and I say 0270 191 0270-191-971. Now say 0205-818-748 0205-818-748 number si mu biara Friday be so na ye no etimi edi jumedi di abom honorable Nyante. Okay, obi for Abba. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Me ba cho di na aka se fi.
Ba cho e from Joy, me ka fi ti clock.
Okay, tire wa jeni enko.
Okay, me ebo abaso ewo ejuma o yewe ka na ko ko shira o.
Medasi. Okay, also lady no. Okay, honorable Nyante Bacho for wode no fabre ye ma me na afi.
Inti se na America no. One agoro no won ka ho. Fact is fact won ka ho.
Se aye CPP for no.
Worry position wo baby. Na emfa inti mo ha wo ho. Emfa o.
Ususu say bia wo yesade dia mobi ana.
Is emfa. Command one check.
Okay.
Into what to chorus. I as a chorus no e beto obi asumu a na aye ne de no atwe na bata no ho ana.
Medase.
Nanso amfa.
Medase. Medase. Conviction. But bravo mam CPP for Nyankopon Yadma next month August 24th what they want flag bearer ba. Also what banner send on what your mind super no. Will be jet to me if you have any NDC for you answer. That's a Muslim name.
Medase. I mean say CPP a political party bia. Ye nyina ye ni mo ba kwasam ni ade. Me say other political parties have taken the leader. Ye flag bearers ne abedechiri nyina.
Okay. Conviction ba chome ba. O wakati no conviction kosuma me.
Eno no. We wish them well. They can say democracy. Ubia kebima min kebi. It's about ballot, not bullet. ɛno nti ɔmo so menim sɛ bana ma ɔba no ɔmo flag bearer ɔmo bɛyi no me promise sɛ ɔbɛsi asɔre dan wɔ wiem.
Okay.
Na
Commission Bacho, Mamma Picky, we na Yantu Ajimas. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Bacho did it, and I can say,
Bacho make a safe your couple.
Okay, Bacho did.
Yes. Or from a Santua.
Bacho is Santa Casaro.
You, yeah, down, you and Mendy, so for the MPP for no one aspect. The MPP ni Panama, say me come, I mean, new MPP mean. Saa na pofu asɛm a wɔkan me baba akoyɛ na besine wɔde ne ka enti sɛ wɔde nnwuma no hyehyɛ mpanyinfo no nsa sɛ wɔni mmɔfra no ayɛ wɔmi sa wɔnsi wɔhyɛ da tua wɔn ka papa anaa wɔhyɛ da tua wɔn ka iya anaa na me ba yɛ napo besinne me bɛyi ne sika akam besinne ne nsa nkan enti yɛsrɛ wɔn bebree yɛsrɛ
Medase, mommy, Medase, Yatonka. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Bacho didn't do Nakasafi.
We didn't do Oku Francis, go to that from Lampard.
Lampard, Chawajan Yanko.
A few people party today. One atom, one independent and it is in the baby of Coconin Panel was wrong about because if your previous elections have been a little which I will not number so I one day be no way.
Martin Lampard, Medase, yeah, Breno, Ason, Lampard, and as I said, ultimate friend. Conviction Bacho, Pawanusina, yes.
Anunti, Nemecano, say, ye crown, say, almost so ombe leader, also the vision in Nimababontina. The can say, the 24-hour economy by John Dramani Mahama is in progress. Ye nima ebeboa. Anunti a democracy. Obia wana adwen okay me say mo see for who say ampa say omo de mo ba mpo amotuma bodwuma asin MPP mambo na ewo ho no
okay
and the minua de beka ne say ye twan mo boko na enyina yakọ into the 2024 election na I very peaceful Ghana a peaceful nation the way we need bia me say alanche mante kura no ono ka cabinet ho no wayi ni yellow ana oya fafranto no tin the boot ma ene onama ono so kan ho asam and this will be a can akufo the cabinet ho na ene ono se mayi me ho afim na wo a wo ye MPP ni a wo napku entwelka na service entwelka wo wie school I say go challenge exam say koyesi no the yan say we talk about NDC and John Dramani Mahama na ya banager mambo papa aba no be bia
I wish your conviction constituency organizer the NDC or constituency afe honorable Nyante Samuel Jesse research elections director edema MPP say Eastern Regional Communication Team member Okre constituency anowo mpanyinfo yi na many won di dwumadi ewo fidua yi mo before I be call happy birthday to Erama of Amonochrome Kebrown or say Omawa Wada Papa Nyankopon sure na onya okese abusia aha da berebe makwan na yede enne okomanda urujumadi ni nyina aba no awie yi executive producer Mr. Kwaku Boatin KBB afi the entire production team Nana Kwame Perry Kebrown Zigibi wa MCR afi McFadden Okoma Bruni miaka sabi di jumadi ho chiame meeting at the NK Obrempon Nyankopon enhyira wa memprenda next week Monday ye be sign shia medase
Ayiko. Me mamu nyina ayiko. Me makana for ayiko. Ya from Nana Kwame Perry. Ubetimi from the finest and meme nyina ka echu ne me. Ayiko mra ye dwumadi ofofo bi kra eba wa kwamu e wo koman 97.1 radio so efiti joda ekosi fiada. Pramoto pepepe me tira mide ekosi 2 pm. Ya de nkomo mra be bro. Apomudin sem